Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Shan and you're watching Studying and Gaming with Shan. Today's video is about Scratch. Basically today's video is about programming on Scratch. And you think that what is Scratch? Scratch is a block-based programming language designed for ages 8 to 12, but all ages can use it. Scratch allows you to design your projects and interactive games. So basically Scratch allows you to make projects, games, or anything you like, basically 3D animations, games, and anything you like. So to open Scratch, go to Google and write SC and click this thing. You will see that the Scratch has been opened. Click to create. And today we are going to do some practice on Scratch. Like we can create anything. I think we will create a game. So this is our sprite. It is called sprite, and if we tell him move 10 steps, it will not work. You have to go to the events category and take out when green fact clicked, move 10 steps, and when you will click it, it will move 10 steps, as you can see. So you can create anything you like, but I'm going to try this thing. I really want to do this. And let's get it to a forever loop. And when you do it, check, it's spinning around. And I guess I can add a backdrop as well. There is a choose a backdrop sign and choose a sprite. From here you can choose any sprite you like Abby, Ammon, Andy, Anna, Dancy, Apple, anything you like. Animals, peoples, fantasy, dance, music, sports, everything is here. And at the backdrop session, there are lots of backgrounds over here, lots and lots of. And I'm going to select theater, and I will set my Scratch cat to gotta make it very sick. I can add it again, choose a sprite and search Scratch cat, and we have our new Scratch cat on the stage dancing. And this is the costume area. It has two costumes, the one that is running and the second which is the standing like this. And you have sounds as well, like it's a Scratch cat sound, but I can also edit this thing by clicking on paint and choose your own color, anything you like I want this to be his heart green and foot green and this everything. I want everything to be green except this eyes and nose. So I have changed the costume of my Scratch cat, and let's do this. And one green flag clicked, sound category, blue sign, play, wait, start meow sound, and events. When space key pressed, when space key is pressed, start meow sound. And when I click green flag, as you can see, I am pressing space key and it's making a sound of a cat. And we can also make him speak. And you can also make him talk. Just click this thing and play music. Wow, there's a music. Oh, it's a drum. So you can also make him talk like looks category, go to looks category, and first take out when green flag clicked. Say hello for 2 seconds. Hello, look. I am Shan. Hello, I am Shan. As you can see, when green flag clicked, it will say hello, I am Shan. And I will write another thing. And it says please subscribe and like this video. Please guys, click that subscribe button. I hope you like this video. So today's video was about Scratch, and if you break 50 likes record, I will make a game on Scratch, a tutorial, So if you break more than 50 likes, if there's are 51, 52 likes, I will make another video on this Scratch cat thing, and on Scratch. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.